Is intermittent fasting a good way to lose weight? When it comes to weight loss strategies, you have likely encountered a diverse range of options, each promising optimal results. Among these, intermittent fasting has surged in popularity, often touted as an effective and straightforward method for shedding those extra pounds. But is intermittent fasting truly a good way to lose weight? As someone navigating the complexities of diet and health, you may find yourself inundated with conflicting advice and anecdotal success stories. This video aims to provide clarity, delving into the science behind intermittent fasting and assessing its efficacy as a weight loss tool. You will explore the various types of intermittent fasting, understand how it impacts your metabolism, and review the potential benefits and risks. Armed with this comprehensive information, you can make a well-informed decision about whether intermittent fasting aligns with your weight loss goals and overall lifestyle. What is intermittent fasting anyway? Imagine structuring your eating schedule in a way that gives your body regular breaks from food. That's essentially what intermittent fasting is all about. Instead of focusing on what you eat, you pay more attention to when you eat. You might choose to eat all your meals within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. Or you could alternate days of normal eating with days where you significantly reduce your calorie intake. The idea is to give your body time to rest and reset, potentially leading to various health benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just another diet fad. It's more of an eating pattern that's been around for centuries, even rooted in some cultural and religious practices. By limiting the hours you spend eating, you may find it easier to control your calorie intake and manage your weight. Plus, many people report feeling more energized and focused during their fasting periods. It's like giving your digestive system a mini vacation, allowing it to work more efficiently when it needs to. So, if you're looking for a more flexible approach to managing your eating habits, intermittent fasting might just be worth a try. How does intermittent fasting work? When you engage in intermittent fasting, you're essentially tapping into your body's natural ability to switch energy sources. Normally, your body relies on glucose from the food you eat for energy. However, during a fasting period, when glucose isn't readily available, your body begins to break down stored fats into molecules called ketones, which then serve as an alternative energy source. This metabolic switch not only helps in burning fat, but also may improve your insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. In addition to giving your metabolism a boost, intermittent fasting can also trigger a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's internal housekeeping service. During this process, your cells essentially cook by removing damaged components and recycling them. This cellular cleanup is thought to contribute to various health benefits, including improved longevity and reduced risk of certain diseases. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, you're giving your body the opportunity to perform these essential maintenance tasks. Different types of intermittent fasting. You might be wondering how to get started with intermittent fasting, and it's great to know you have several options. One popular method is the 16-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window each day. This might sound challenging at first, but many people find it easy to adapt by simply skipping breakfast and having their first meal around noon. Another option is the 5-2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days of the week, then significantly reducing your calorie intake, usually around 500-600 calories, on the other 2 non-consecutive days. It offers more flexibility while still providing the benefits of fasting. If you're looking for something a bit more intense, the eat-stop-eat method could be appealing. This involves fasting for a full 24 hours, once or twice a week. For instance, you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and not eat again until 7 p.m. the following day. While this can be tough initially, many people find it manageable with practice and appreciate the simplicity. There's also the warrior diet, which involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and consuming one large meal at night within a 4-hour window. Each of these methods has its own unique benefits and challenges, so you can choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and goals. Health benefits of intermittent fasting explained. With intermittent fasting, you can experience several health benefits beyond just weight management. For starters, it helps improve insulin sensitivity. By giving your body extended periods without food, your insulin levels drop, making stored body fat more accessible to burn. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, it can boost your brain health by promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and protects against neurodegenerative conditions. Another fantastic benefit is the potential for improved metabolism. Fasting can enhance your body's ability to switch between burning carbs and fats more efficiently, known as metabolic flexibility. This can lead to better energy levels and even improve your athletic performance. Moreover, intermittent fasting can aid in detoxification and cellular repair processes such as autophagy, where your cells remove damaged components and regenerate. This cellular housekeeping can contribute to longevity and overall well-being, making you feel more vibrant and youthful. Can intermittent fasting boost metabolism? Intermittent fasting can increase the production of norepinephrine, a hormone and neurotransmitter that plays a key role in boosting your metabolic rate. By elevating norepinephrine levels, your body can break down fat cells more effectively, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. You'll also find that intermittent fasting can help preserve lean muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Unlike traditional calorie-restricted diets that often lead to muscle loss, fasting encourages your body to use fat stores as a primary energy source, keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Tips for starting intermittent fasting easily. When you're just starting out with intermittent fasting, it can seem a bit daunting, but easing into it gradually can make a world of difference. Begin by pushing your breakfast back by an hour each day until you reach your desired fasting window. This gradual adjustment helps your body adapt without feeling deprived. You can also start with a more forgiving fasting schedule, like the 12-12 method, where you fast for 12 hours and eat within a 12-hour window. Once you're comfortable, you can extend the fasting period to a 16-8 or even a 24 schedule if that suits your lifestyle better. Staying hydrated is key during fasting periods. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee can help curb hunger and keep you feeling energized. Keeping busy and distracted can also help take your mind off food. If you find yourself struggling, remember that it's okay to be flexible. If you slip up or feel too hungry, listen to your body and adjust accordingly. The goal is to create a sustainable routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, rather than a rigid regimen that adds stress. Common mistakes to avoid fasting. One thing you want to steer clear of is jumping right into long fasting periods if you're new to this. Your body needs time to adjust, and going too hard, too fast, can lead to unnecessary discomfort and might even discourage you from continuing. Start with shorter fasting windows and gradually build your way up. Another pitfall to watch out for is neglecting your nutritional needs during your eating windows. Don't use fasting as an excuse to binge on unhealthy foods. Instead, focus on balanced meals, rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Also, beware of not drinking enough fluids. Dehydration can mimic hunger, and it's easy to mistake thirst for hunger pangs, which can make fasting feel more difficult than it needs to be. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to stay hydrated. Lastly, avoid being too rigid. Life happens, and sometimes you may need to adjust your fasting schedule. Flexibility can make intermittent fasting more sustainable in the long run. Remember, it's a tool to improve your health and well-being, not a strict regimen to make your life harder. What to eat during fasting periods. While eating during fasting periods might sound contradictory, it's essential to know what to consume during your eating windows to set yourself up for success. Begin your meals with nutrient-dense foods that give you the energy and nutrients your body craves. Think of lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or tofu, paired with whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice. These foods will provide a steady release of energy and keep you full longer, making the fasting periods much easier to handle. Don't forget to load up on colorful fruits and veggies. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which help in digestion and keep you feeling satisfied. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil also play a crucial role in your diet by providing sustained energy and helping with nutrient absorption. By focusing on these wholesome food choices, you'll find it much easier to navigate both your eating and fasting periods without feeling deprived or frustrated. Intermittent fasting and exercise routines. Incorporating exercise into your intermittent fasting plan can amplify your results and help you reach your goals more efficiently. You may wonder how to time your workouts to align with your eating windows. Many people find that working out towards the end of their fasting period or right after their first meal provides the best balance of energy and endurance. This approach can maximize fat burning while ensuring you have enough fuel to power through your exercise routine. Listen to your body and adjust your workout intensity based on how you feel. High-intensity interval training and strength training are excellent options to consider, as they can boost your metabolism and muscle growth. Remember to stay hydrated and refuel with a balanced meal after your workout to aid in recovery. By marrying intermittent fasting with a smart exercise regimen, you'll likely notice improvements not just in weight management, but in overall health and fitness as well. Is it right for everyone? Not necessarily. IF isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people find it easy, while others struggle with hunger, low energy, or irritability. It's especially not recommended for those with certain medical conditions, pregnant women, or people with a history of eating disorders. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. The bottom line: intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss. if it suits your lifestyle and you pair it with a healthy, balanced diet. It's not a magic bullet, but for many, it's a sustainable and flexible way to trim down and improve overall health. Would you try intermittent fasting? Let us know your thoughts.